Hi everyone, today we are discussing about .NET terminology. After the completion of the video, we will understand two things. First is the difference between ASP and ASP.NET, and second is the difference between editor and IDE. So let's start with video. What is the difference between ASP and ASP.NET? ASP stands for Active Server Page. ASP and ASP.NET both was developed by Microsoft to allow programmers to create a dynamic website. ASP is the first server-side script engine. ASP is an older web framework, and language options for ASP are only VB Script and JavaScript. ASP is an older and outdated technology, while ASP.NET is newest technology which support lot of languages like C#, F#, C#, .NET, VB.NET. An ASP page is a dynamically created web page that ends with a .asp extension. And in case of ASP.NET, .aspx extension is used for web pages. ASP.NET is an extended version of ASP with support lot of languages, while ASP.NET with MVC is a new extension or technology of ASP.NET framework. Then, what is the difference between an IDE and editor? An editor is a tool that is designed to edit text. The IDE means Integrated Development Environment. Means it is a collection of tools used to develop any projects. And whatever the things, are you required to develop a project, all things are integrated at one place. It may be text editor, compiler, debugger, build, integration and framework, etc. Notepad and WordPad are the example of editor in Windows operating system, and VI and VIM are the editors in Linux operating system, whereas lots of IDE are available in markets such as NetBeans, Eclipse, IntelliJ, and Visual Studio. In editor, there is not need to choose a specific editor to edit text, but in case of IDE you need to choose a proper IDE based on your programming language and requirement. For your information, lot of people are confused about Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an editor and Visual Studio is an IDE. In next video we will discuss about the latest .NET technology after .NET framework, that is .NET Core. If you like video, then please don't forget to subscribe channel for more videos.